Alright, so we're changing a headlight on a 93 Accord, and so that little ring there that you gotta spin, you gotta squeeze it and spin it so you can take the bulb out. We took the cruise control out of the way. It's only one bolt, and then that other one right there I just loosened so you don't even have to take that all the way out. What I did though is I got oil filter pliers. Alright, so now that we got the bulb changed, go ahead and put this back in. This little hose. Some of you guys might didn't have this. Alright, now it's just that one bolt and plug. I typically like to test the headlights like this, make sure everything's working, which they are. And tighten this up. Alright, let's put this plug back in. Thanks for watching.